I have a good solution if you don't have a problem in your laptop fan. So you have to create like this one. This is invention from recycled wood, loader for the laptop, and inside it I will install a fan from recycled case for your computer, and this also small recycled. So this for push the air inside here, this ventilation. So your fan is not working and you are searching for your fan and no, you don't found it. No, for this model. You don't found the fan for this model, how to work. And all your work in here, and you need to work and give your work to your manager. So how to solve this soon? You have this solution, okay? Also, if the fan is very expensive, $30 till $40, and you are searching for cheap one, so how to deal with this solution, okay? So you are searching for the fan until you find it, and then replace this solution. This is good permanent solution, and you can use it, and I will tell you how to make this solution. All you need to do this solution is recycled wood like this and do this design. Second thing, you need adapter 12 DC voltage, adapter AC to DC 12 voltage, and then you need this fans. This fan, you don't need to cut this, because when you finish this solution and get your fan, so you can use this in another way. You can use it in a desktop fan like this. Then we have the other one. We connect them in parallel, and then with this adapter, okay? Also you cut here. Put all these things the same because of the other usage or the main usage, okay? So we will put here. So here. Okay. This fan push air, and this one seek heat from here. The small one seek heat from here, while the other one push cold air into here, and inside here there's a fan. So now we have the broken fan inside the computer, or the bad fan, and we help it by this system. If you have any questions, ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. But stay. This is also save your money, because the fan inside the computer is about $30 to $40, and this cooling system, if you would like to buy it from a store, you will find it about $40 to $50. So you are using this system. It's very cheap and from recycled materials, and save you about $80 to $90. Thanks for watching the video.